Multiple intelligence. This refers to human intelligence as having multiple dimensions that must be acknowledged and developed in education. The first intelligence is linguistic. This means you're word smart. This means you have the ability of language. You use it in a special and creative way. The lawyers, the writers, the editors are strong in this intelligence. The second intelligence is logical mathematical. The learners who fall in this category love to quantify. They use critical thinking and love reasoning things out. The third intelligence is spatial. This means you're picture smart. This means you have the ability to form mental models of the world. You can't get lost. You will remember the places you passed by. Sculptors, architects, and painters, even interior decorators, have this ability. The fourth, musical intelligence. This means you have a good ear. Singers and composers usually have this intelligence. You're music smart. The fifth intelligence is bodily kinesthetic. This means you have coordination with your body. You're body smart. Usually, the athletes have this intelligence. Me, for example, I wouldn't consider myself body smart because I don't have coordination with none of the parts of my body. The sixth intelligence is interpersonal. This means you're people smart. You get along with people. You know how to work with people. The teachers and the salespeople have this intelligence. Me, I don't have it. I don't consider myself interpersonal, and that's kind of awkward because I'm studying to be a teacher. The seventh is intrapersonal. This means that we have the ability to know oneself, and this leads to a happy adjustments in areas of life. That means that you know yourself, you know your emotions, and you can control your emotions. I do consider myself intrapersonal because I am. The eighth intelligence is naturalist. This means you're nature smart. You have the ability to figure out patterns of nature. Some activities you can use for these intelligences are for linguistic, you can use lectures, worksheets, word games, listening to cassettes, or talking books. For logical mathematical, you can use scientific demonstrations, creating codes, story problems, science thinking, logical problems, and puzzles. Some activities for spatial intelligence could be charts, maps, diagrams, videos, slides, and art, and other pictures. For kinesthetic, it could be creative movement, Mother May I, cooking, and other math activities. Some activities for musical intelligence could be playing recorded music, playing live music, guitar, piano. For interpersonal, could be peer teaching, cooperative groups, group brainstorming. For interpersonal, could be writing a journal, independent student homework. Some cons and pros multiple intelligence has is thinking of different activities for the learners, challenging for the teacher for the same thing, thinking of activities for each and every intelligence. I would find it very challenging, finding materials for every intelligence too, and to know that if it's gonna work for that intelligence, and to find it according to the level of English. Some pros that multiple intelligence has a lot of materials that other students can develop their intelligences, and it an inclusive classroom.